The dessert we're bringing you today is amazing. Do you like coffee? It's got it. Do you like chocolate? It's got that too. Just look at how great it looks. Super easy to make, a very simple recipe. Just a few steps and a result like the one you see in the picture. Simply spectacular. Stay until the end, you're going to like it. First step, super easy. We make a caramel with 150 grams of sugar and 20 milliliters of water. As soon as it's well melted, we pour it into a 30 by 12 centimeter mold. If you want to use liquid caramel, you can do that too. Eggs, 3 large ones, size L. We're only going to use the yolks. We'll add 100 grams of sugar to the yolks and mix really well with a hand whisk. Don't make it complicated. We need 500 milliliters of milk, which is about 2 large cups. We add 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence and water and heat it up. Why? So that everything dissolves and mixes together really well. Then we pour our hot mixture into a pitcher so we can handle it perfectly. We go to the bowl where we had the egg yolks mixed with sugar and add the mixture little by little, helping the yolks and sugar dissolve. We've got it, so we pour about a small glass on one side and leave the rest there, about 150 milliliters or so. We'll now make the 2 mixtures that give our flan its unique flavor. 50 grams of cocoa powder, about 1 small bowl, and 15 grams of instant coffee, which is 1 packet or about 2 teaspoons. We mix the 2 mixtures we have here, just a few manual turns, and in a few seconds you'll have it ready. Why is the water hot? If it wasn't hot, you wouldn't be able to dissolve the cocoa wow in a long time. We go back to the mold, pour in the coffee mixture, the one that's less in quantity and thinner. We've got it. So now we go to the oven. In a water bath, 20 minutes so it firms up a bit. 180 degrees, which is 357 degrees Fahrenheit as soon as we take it out. See, it has a film on top, and now we're going to pour the cocoa mixture. Even if they mix together, it doesn't matter because they have different densities. And when it's done, one layer will be separated from the other. No problem at all. We go back to the oven for 90 minutes at 180 degrees, which is 357 degrees Fahrenheit, always with the oven preheated. Once you take it out, let it cool down a bit and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. And if you leave it overnight, even better. Look at how Plas unmolds the caramel. It's going to help you, and it will definitely turn out this spectacular. What a wonder. Wow, it's worth spending a few seconds watching it. I love it. Well, just take it to the table and enjoy your success. Look at that side. How juicy it is. And now we cut it. The knife moves through it wonderfully. I'll show you the inside so you can see the 2 layers. Cocoa and coffee flan. A marvel, just like what you see in the picture. Rizras! Who wants more spoonfuls? Now enjoy. Here you go. There you have it. Go ahead and try making it at home because it's super easy and the result is guaranteed. A classic flan, but with cocoa and coffee flavor. Because why should we have to choose? How good. I could eat this dessert every day. Pure wonder.
Enjoy your meal, enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal, enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
Good.
Enjoy your meal, enjoy your meal.